Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can change the taskbar. You need a signed-in account with permissions. Once ready, right-click an empty section of the taskbar or press Windows key, plus I and open Settings right arrow Personalization. You do this so the options you need are available immediately. Make sure to decide if you want the taskbar on only one monitor or all displays. This affects which settings to use next. Now open Taskbar Settings so you can move the bar to the bottom. Once in Taskbar Settings, scroll to Taskbar Behaviors or Equivalent. This is where position lives. You choose bottom from the Alignment or Location dropdown so the bar sits at the lower edge of the screen. Make sure to turn off Auto Hide temporarily so you can verify placement, because hidden taskbars may mask successful moves. If you use multiple monitors, set Primary Display first, and then repeat or enable Show Taskbar on all displays as needed so the bottom placement is consistent. To finish, right-click the taskbar and lock it so you don't move it by accident. This preserves the bottom placement. If something goes wrong, such as missing icons or an unresponsive bar, restart Explorer. EXE via Task Manager or sign out and back in to refresh the shell. If the taskbar still shifts, inspect display scaling and resolution. Mismatched settings on multiple monitors can force repositioning. Once fixed, make sure Auto Hide and Alignment settings match your preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.